today we'll be covering a few points of the portal. Also, we're going to introduce you guys to the Connect app. Last time we discussed how we can take scans using the thermal tablet. Today we will see how we can do that, take attendance from the Connect app. I will start sharing my phone screen. Okay. I guess everyone can see it now. So here is the Connect app. You can find it on App Store and Google Play Store under the school code. You log in with your account number and passcode, and you will have this page right here. So basically, if I want to sign my attendance for today, I can just click on here and this hand icon. I can just sign myself in. If I have, like, my kids are going to the school that I'm working in, I can just sign them in as well. And I can sign other kids, or like the students that are assigned under my classroom. I can access the photos that's being shared if there is any event or activity that is happening in the school, and the administrator shared it from the portal. I can view them from here. Also, if they shared any announcement or anything, it will be viewed right here. Now, switching to the portal, Smile Me In portal, so we can access or see how we can manage attendance. I guess everyone can see my screen now, correct? Can you see it?
No, we can't see it. Okay, now we can.
Okay. So to manage attendance, we just need to go to that tab and then choose our staff. So from this icon, or from this tab, we can perform a couple of actions, such as editing attendance, adding actually an attendance, or even adding a time off. So let's say here who we have. Okay, I can edit John's. John's came in today early, but forgot to take the scan. By the time he remembered, it's already 11 a.m. I can just edit his attendance from here. So I can edit to be, let's say, he came in 9 a.m. and then just hit save. And yes, I am sure. And that's been edited. I can add in attendance, let's say for all of these people who forgot to sign out. I can just filter them here, and then if I would like to just do them all in one go, basically I can just click here, update, and I want to update sign out for everyone to be 5 p.m. enter the temperature and submit it. Now, if we want to go back to all the records for today, the 3rd, everyone's attendance been logged in, edited or added. Let's take John again for an example. Let's say that he took an hour off to pick an order from the post office. We can take that 1 hour off, or we can just add it to his attendance, so it would be deducted from his total hours. So I will choose John, and I would say I want to add time off. He left the school around 12 and came back around 1. No need for temperature, and hit save. Then it will be visible on his on this day, on his report, basically, that instead of working 9 hours, he only worked 8 hours. And that would be it. Another helpful feature that you might need to do as an administrator for a school, or a bulk action basically, it is moving a group of people at the same time or deleting them. Or how we can do that, we can go to users and manage users, and let's see, I wanna move the people or the students from the butterfly room, and they are students. Yeah, there they are. Only the students. I can perform the bulk action from here, and I will say I want to move them to, let's say, another room, kindergarten, let's say. And that's it. They are being moved. I can also delete, like, again, butterfly. I can bulk delete by just doing the same thing, actions, delete, and they're going to be deleted. However, if I want to permanently delete the user, after deleting them, I need to activate the toggle and delete them again. Any questions regarding this point? Then I take that as a yes. Okay. Moving on to the payroll. So let's go to attendance report and our employees monthly. From this tab, you can see each employee's, like the full report for the month, like when they signed in, out, and the total hours they worked, and all, like for each employee. You can choose which month you would like to check from here, also the year. And you can download it as a PDF or Excel file. If you would like to see everyone's attendance, or everyone's attendance or monthly attendance, all in a same report, I would suggest to use the custom report. I can say I want to just see the employees for this month. I can select the columns that I want in my report. In my report, I would like just to get username, sign in and out. I'm not quite fussy with the temperature, location, no, and that would be it. And then I would just apply. And now I can see Ahmed, like basically every employee that I have, and I can still download it from here as an Excel or PDF. Moving on, we would like to highlight 3 features that is very helpful for school systems. The first one is the waiting list. You can create your waiting list from here. First, you can actually just send the form to the parents through email or text message, or whatever you guys like it, or even keep it on your website. You can access the form from settings, and it is this one. The users, or when we open that form, the parents will have the opportunity to just fill in their details and their kids' details and then submit the form. After they do that, we're going to see them here under the pending for approval. You can quickly view the details of the guardian or the parent, and you can just accept or decline. After you do so, you can add in the student in your waiting list that you created already, like the one that we can see here, and then we can admit students. We can do so by just using this or clicking on this child icon. And we can just add the student, their name. If we approve the parent, it's going to be visual here that we can just let's say I want this ream to be added, and priority, I would say a high priority, and I would just choose number 1 and save, and it will be added here. whenever there is a spot or like a spot available, I can just admit or assign the kid to the room. So I can, let's say, assign Sarah to the kinder room and save it, and that would be it. Another helpful feature, it is the photos. As we can say, like from the app, parents can view the photos already, but for you as an administrator, you can upload them from here. You go to photos for any events, you can, or parties, like the holiday parties or whatever. You can just upload them from here and assign each classroom with its own photos. Lastly, that would be our lunch ordering system. You can create the menu from here. You can pick and choose what you would like to have on the menu. Like we created this one, it's Italian and Chinese and drinks, and you can have like limits for each item if they want, or they're allowed to pick 2, 3, 5, or whatever you choose. And then you will, or the parent can log in from either the website, or they can use in the Connect app to choose what their kid or what they would like for their kid to have over lunch, and you will get all of the details or all of the orders right here. That would be it. And we have a room for questions, so if anyone would like to ask me a question, this is your chance.
If they uploaded the photos from a camera, for example, does it still tag the kids?
No, but you can do that, I guess, from the Connect app. Let me show you how to do that. Or maybe also Reen can correct me if I'm wrong. Yes, we can do that from the Connect app, correct?
Currently, we can do this manually, so the admin or teacher can tag children manually from the Connect app. The second iteration, or what we are currently working on, is to auto-classify the photos once it is uploaded.
So
Alright,
the answer
thank
to
you.
your question is yes. Any other questions, you guys? Okay. Thank you everyone for joining us, and we hope to see you on the next one.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, so Sarah, is there any agenda item?